who is Sam Bankman? Who is this guy? You know, I remember when I was watching TV, that suddenly he's appearing with all these new names on the stage. The guy who doesn't change the undies, you know, has a curly hair. No jealousy. I have no hair. I lost in the war. That's okay. I love to be bald. But the thing is, this guy was very young to become the billionaire, and he was having this waffling story, you know, how he can make you rich, and everybody was calling him on a stage, and guy was talking. I said to myself, that doesn't make sense. This guy, he's a fraudster from the start to the end.